going on, everybody? Welcome. M1 Cards, Topps Magic finally. We're very sorry that it took so long to get this going, but finally got it just today. Very windy day.
Everyone will receive something extra in their order, so check your order for the giveaways. We randomize some prizes, so make sure you double check your package because you'll receive more than what the Topps Magic for the delay on our end.
So there you go. Sorry about it, but here we go. We got it. So here's the list. While I'm reading the list, there are the Buccaneers available. So if anybody here wants in, you want the Buccaneers, make an offer, and you can have them.
So, if it's not fun.
If it's not a terrible offer. So I will read through this in case you can't read it. Going on, Vince? Good to see you.
Vince is in
Mike the back from last night.
Mike, how you doing?
Long time no see. Okay, so Cardinals, Kevin D. Falcons, Mike G. Ravens, Paul H. Bills, Kevin D. Panthers, Roy O. Bears, Kevin D. Bengals, David B. Browns, Lane H. Cowboys, Inventory. Broncos, Michael G. Inventory, we need to get you some name. Broncos, Michael G. Lions, Julius J. Packers, Lane H. Texans, John C. Colts, Vincent H. Jags, Heather K. Chiefs, Julius J. Dolphins, Troy W. Vikings, Julius J. Patriots, Jeff C.O. Saints, Jamie P. Giants, Ian P. Jets, Inventory. Eagles, Kevin D. Steelers, Noah H. Chargers, Jeff C.H. Niners, Jeff J. Seahawks, Benjamin F. Rams, Tim J. Buccaneers, nobody yet. Titans, Julius J. Nobody knows. Redskins, Keith H. So, with that, good luck, everybody. And we're going to get going. There they are. Beautiful looking.
We're doing a Heroes case break tonight. If anyone's interested, as you know, last night we were ripping like...
We had a great time last night. It was a lot of fun. Bunch of Heroes.
Vince, if you want in, you missed out on a crazy night.
Mike was there. He knows. Oh, I don't like hearing that.
Hey, it needs to come in cards.
I'm going to go through these pretty fast. I'll show you the minis if you want, Victor. But there's a lot of cards again, so I will stop at all hits, minis, and there's another type of card in here.
Vince, I'll email you, man. No, you don't have to say that. You're just picking up chicks in Jamaica again.
Oh, yeah, well, we know what you're doing.
Don't lie to us, man.
Like our Blount Mini. Wants it? Also, we got a message. Somebody from the site bought and said they wanted tonight. Brent Robinson Mini. That's the best place to be.
The contenders were aiming for the end of the week Friday. We'll let you all know tomorrow morning at the latest. Y'all. Mike, you're being awful kind to me today.
Oh, I have thrown them off.
No, our distributor canceled. We're calling everybody that has it. So we will.
We're trying to find another one.
We don't have the best distributor right now. We're switching, in the process of switching. So
nice start here for the Niners. Colin Kaepernick auto.
If anyone wants a refund for the 2010 threads, I understand. I'm working my ass off to get it here, so I should know about that tomorrow morning too. Thanks, Mike. You're not a douche. Ha.
How nice. Justin Blackman, Enchantment. They're pretty cool looking. It's like a picture frame. You can't tell probably, but it's adorable.
Nobody.
Got a Michael Floyd mini thing. Not sure what those are. Thing. Next hit we got for Eric Decker for the Broncos. There's at least 3 autos per box, so I'm sure somebody's keeping track.
Michael.
They're really nice looking cards. Crisp photos.
Indeed, Brian.
Oh, thank you.
Can I have half of your chicken sandwich?
Nope.
I fucking hate you.
You may have a piece of candy.
I already have to read these.
Oh.
My body's dying. What did you say about the heroes on the site?
There's one of the one person bought, I think just yesterday.
Yeah.
And she, I think, or he was messaging me last night and said,
Peter.
I don't remember who it was. I think there was a second one. It's a pretty cool looking card. Mark Barron said if you do one tomorrow, they bought the one on the site and said if you can get it tomorrow, that'd be great. So now another one of those little minis. So Jerry Rice comparison. Another one, Robert Turbin. Yeah.
That is pretty cool. Demarius Thomas. Mario Mini. You forgot that one.
I'm not stopping at these anymore. This is one I've never seen one. Too much.
You guys gonna check out the Heroes drawing tonight? 9 o'clock, right? Our time, Eastern Standard Time.
Vince said he's in.
Or we're not breaking at 9. We're watching their.
They have their drawing tonight.
6 p.m. for them. We're gonna aim for Heroes like around 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time.
Our third auto, Jeremy Curley from the Jets.
That works for everybody. Vince, you killed it on that Master Triple Threat case, man. Some nice cards.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
It's on the way out the door.
Okay, oh, we got excited it was a Colt, but it's Vic Ballard. Luke Kuechly.
We have about 500 packages to ship out. That sucks.
We'll get there. We like to work our way up.
No, Peter Lee is the only one that ordered off the site.
Oh, maybe it was him. I know him. Andrew Luck. Mini.
Salesman go to work.
Get to it. I'd message him and ask if it was him. Oh, well. No. Asking maybe we took the Bucks. We have an offer of 10. We have to do a little better than that. How much for those?
We'd take 25.
If you can do 25, we'll do it.
If not, no biggie, man.
Done. Just for that. Here's a nice Doug Martin. Just in time. Good call. I know it's not spectacular, but we need to change our garbage. Next auto for the Colts. Another tease. Bigger tease. Chandler Harnish.
Vince is going to hit you.
Sorry, Vince. Hey there. I told you we'd work our way up. Now we got to the quarterback position.
You're just a joster.
Nice looking RG3.
6 months left. 48 watches.
Morris Claiborne.
It's hitting Twitter press too. We didn't even tweet it.
Other people?
Yeah.
That's good.
Fake or blonde. Well, I tried to advertise it, but not that good.
Just keeping tabs. I think we got one more auto in here. Maybe? We did 3? I don't know. Here we go. For the Panthers, Brandon LaFell. So what's everybody having for dinner tonight? Anything good? Any suggestions? While we have a hit for the Ravens, Bobby Rainey. Justin Blackman. Oh, Vince.
What?
That's what everybody had for dinner. Vince had chicken strips and ranch.
Damn. Amen.
That sounds wonderful.
You're not getting eaten right now.
Ah, pizza, always a fine choice. We got the one, the mini Trent Richardson. You guys are 2 for 2. Solid choices. What do you get on your pizza, though? That's the question. Nice. Little meat lovers there. Throw some bacon bits on there. Mark Barron. Not a huge olive guy. I'll go mushrooms or onions. Got an A.J. Jenkins. This is the 3rd box, correct. Got a mini Kobe Fleener. So far, our big hit was the very first box, and I don't even remember anymore. It was so long. Kaepernick, that's who it was. Here's another pretty nice one for the Buccaneers. Adrian Claiborne auto. Real nice looking card. Here we go again. Those last minute purchases always hit pretty nice. I agree, no pineapple. By the way. Or sardines. Not about the little fish. I love seafood, but not on my pizza.
That top was at $996.99.
Not bad. Robert Turbin. I think that's the second.
Not bad if they fucking salt with free ring.
Oh, yeah. Next auto for the Vikings, Matt Khalil. Very nice. Box number 4. It's not 1 a.m.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet.
I might drop dead by 1 a.m. Three boxes Friday night.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
The third. I happened to be on the third box when you did that. I thought that's what you were asking.
The
All
three
right.
box off the site is Friday night.
Sorry. I thought you meant the third box, which it happened to be. The Lions. Ryan Broyles. Nice Brandon Whedon.
My body's running off Mountain Dew. Can someone help me?
Mike Wallace Mini. Mini. Oh my god, no! There he is, Andrew Luck. This is true.
It is true. Bold. It's true, and we're bold fonting it. Whoa, yeah. Cap locks.
RG3 Mini.
Oh, gee. Cap lock. It is true.
Mohamed Sanu. We hit a lot of him yesterday in Sterling. Yeah, a lot of him. And some other Bengal. Next hit for the Jets, Quentin Copples. Ryan Tannehill. That is for you two to work out. Next tip for the Chargers, Malcolm Floyd. And as I say this, the video is... what are we doing, Magic? Saving the first recording, because... just because. Malcolm Floyd. I don't know. Namukang Su. Nothing. Right off the bat, first pack, Jimmy Graham.
Jimmy Graham. It's a nice card. Very nice. How much? Oh,
RG3. Doug Martin. Got LaShawn McCoy mini. Luke Kuechly.
Yeah, I wish I would have looked a bit before that.
AJ Jenkins mini. Our next hit for the Patriots, Ryan Mallett. Morris Claiborne.
Son of a bitch. What you say? Did you sign with me? You kidding me? Oh God, you can see me. So silly.
And next for the Chiefs, Cyrus Gray. Last box. Here we go. Come on, something big. LaMichael James.
Ask Vince if he wants more than one spot in Heroes today.
Vince, do you want more than one spot in Heroes tonight? Next hit, T.Y. Hilton auto. I think Vince is gone. Yeah, he's not in the room. Where'd Vince go? Plus, I just got him a hit. Well, T.Y. Hilton, but... it happens. Anybody else in here want a Heroes spot tonight? Heroes of Sport Baseball. It's incredible stuff. Ask Mike. We did a case and a couple boxes last night. A lot of fun. We had a great time.
Thank you to Marshall.
Marshall joined us, the creator himself. Did a giveaway. It was awesome. Yeah, ask Mike. He was one of the guys in the boxes. The contenders we're aiming for later this week. What?
Hopefully Friday.
Hopefully Friday is what we're aiming for. Kobe Fleener. Troy Aikman mini. Next we have Luke Kuechly auto. Michael Floyd. Next up for the Vikings, Toby Gerhart. The Giants, David Wilson. Justin Blackman mini. Yes. This is our only break until Heroes. Yep. Let's finish with nothing. So there it is. Oh, we did it. We had the Kaepernick early on. That was a nice hit. And then a bunch of not so great, but decent cards. They're real nice. We'll get these sorted and get them out to you. I'll upload the video. I got a few uploads to put up. www.youtube.com/and1cards. Make sure you check out and1cards.com. We'll be on later tonight doing Heroes. If anybody wants in on the Heroes break, let us know. Message us, email us, get in contact. We're going to be doing it later, so get into it. And we'll talk to you all later. Thanks for joining.